David from West Bloomfield Township, Michigan, has a question about attic ventilation.
Well, his ridge venting runs end to end along the main section of his roof. That sounds good. But David writes, 2 gables extend 90 degrees off the main roof, one toward the front, the other toward the rear, about 25% of the length of the main roof. The main roof and the gables all have soffit venting. So, Tom, David wants to know if adding ridge vents on these bisecting gables would help the ridge vent work better. Would create better ventilation?
Understand.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd add them right now because, I don't know how old the roof is. But next time you put a new roof on,
do it then.
I would go ahead and do it then. I don't know if you're going to see this huge difference by spending that money and doing it right now, unless it's a brand new roof.
Well, especially if he's going to go up and meddle with an old roof to do that.
That's what I mean. That's why I think you probably have. You can find out how much that would cost, and then you can find out how much something else would cost to fix your house up, and probably get more bang for the buck on, I don't know, a little more insulation.
Radiant barrier.
Radiant barrier. I don't know about Michigan if radiant barrier is going to be that good, so I probably wouldn't recommend that. But
no, that's true. He's in Michigan.
Yeah, Michigan. It gets so cold. Do something for the winter because your winter is
water filtration, maybe.
Water filtration. Hey, I'm with that. So I think you can spend your money in a better place right now. I wouldn't worry too much about it.
All right. Don't worry about anything.
I'm good with that.
Yeah, if you know.
But that's a hard thing to do.
Well, no, it's actually pretty easy. You just send us your question. You visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom form in the upper right-hand corner. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.